This is what we'd say, lunch is served, everybody. You guys have to forgive my horrible sense of humor, but I'm just used to it. How are you guys? Joe Perez, Flipping Unleashed. Hope you guys had a great holiday season. Sorry it's been a little while since I've responded to you guys. Was really busy during the holiday season, buying a lot of stuff. And like I said, if you watch my videos and all that, you'll know you get some really good deals during the holiday season. I mean, think about it. Any seller selling a home during Thanksgiving and Christmas time, well, that's a pretty motivated seller. And your competition, what are they doing? Well, they're kind of relaxing, getting fat, enjoying turkey, right? So it's a wonderful formula for you guys to get in there and get some good deals, and that's what I did. Bought a lot of stuff, and now little by little, all these deals are closing. I just closed on this one. It's in the city of Fullerton, California. It was the northern part of Orange County. And it's fresh, hasn't been cleaned up, nothing. I'm gonna show you guys all the video, raw, unedited. So you're gonna see everything in here, what it looks like. You're gonna see from the very jump what it looks like when you get into these homes and you buy these deals. This home was in foreclosure. The seller was in foreclosure. The association was foreclosing, the bank. I mean, he had like a lot of tough stuff going on. And I came in here, bailed him out, and made an offer that makes sense to him, makes sense to me, and now comes the fun part. You gotta fix it and you gotta transform into something beautiful, okay? So stay tuned, watch, and let me show you the new project. So as you can see, garage, everything's really full. It's gonna be my job to get rid of, dispose of all this stuff, but that's okay. You kind of get used to that in the industry. A lot of things to clean up. At least I got drywall, looks like, on that wall. I don't have drywall on that wall, so I'll probably put some drywall on that wall. The place is gonna need some painting. Oh, interesting, it looks like he made a storage space. Interesting, looks like there's a storage space up there. So let's come in. And by the way, we haven't done anything to this house. This is how he was living in here. This closet over here takes up a lot of space. You can tell from here where the side, all of it is. I'm probably gonna get rid of this. Don't really see a need for this big old closet over here. We'll probably drywall this piece up, make it like a closet, you know? And then I think we're gonna tear out as much as we can of this. This is like a linen closet. And over here, we're gonna try to tear out as much as we can of that. Tear out as much as we can of this. Tear out as much as we can of that, okay? And so just kind of have this place flow right into here. And if you notice this fridge, totally overwhelming the way this thing is designed. Probably gonna knock out that wall back over here, I don't know if you can get it, and open this whole thing up so it leads right to the living room. If you like stand right here and look, they can get an idea of getting rid of this, connecting the two rooms, and imagine this thing being gone. And then here is a small room. All right, so this is all pretty easy to do. Clean it up, get rid of the acoustic ceiling, paint this thing. This drywall looks like, and just open it up a little bit. Some more light in here. The home's got a very gloomy look to it. Oh, and here we go. This is what we'd say, lunch is served, everybody. Don't be shy, there's plenty for everybody. You guys have to forgive my horrible sense of humor, but I'm just used to it. You'll actually, at some point, in some weird way, you'll actually start embracing these kind of things. And the reason is this is what some of your best deals look like. I mean, this is what somebody in a distress doesn't care anymore, stop making payments, they're slobs, the way they live and all that. Well, those are the kind of people that are gonna get you your best deals. So, you know, There was this famous movie, I'm a little bit older than some of the viewers, but it was Apocalypse Now. And I think it was Robert Duvall, the actor, and there's a point where they're talking about, what was it? Was it napalm or something? And he says, you know what I like about napalm? And, you know, bombs are going off around him, standing up, and he's like, it smells like victory.
Smells like victory.
Well, let me tell you, when I walk into a house and I smell that musky smell and I see all kinds of, you know, signs of hoarding and signs of people not living very hygienic, well, you know what that smells like to me? It smells like money. And so that's one of the things you guys will have to get used to. Recognize that when you walk into these things, separate your emotions. Don't be like, oh my God, this place is disgusting, I don't want to buy it. On the contrary, you do want to buy it. This is going to be what your best deals are going to look like, and you're going to transform it. You're going to get in here, you're going to clean it out, you're going to transform it, and you're going to make a ton of money. So learn to embrace these kind of scenarios, okay? And you'll get to the point where you'll be like me. I make jokes when I see that kind of stuff. This is like the middle of the day, you guys. See how dark it is in here? I'm going to have to get a lot of freaking lights. A lot of recessed lights up there, nice chandelier. Maybe even throw a window on that wall. Get some more light over there, you know? Something. Got some bookshelves here. Man, ton of acoustic ceiling, also known as the popcorn ceiling. So we're gonna get rid of that. And wow, let there be light. Funny how when there's some light, not a bad view. Yeah, big window, big difference. Looks like a sheet on that wall. Wonder what's behind there. And then I wonder, that looks like it leads to the bathroom. That door. Yeah, it does lead to the bathroom. So there's a door there. And then for those of you who might still be hungry, there's another part you can see. But it's got a really big shower. I'm gonna do a lot with that. I'm gonna put some nice tile in there and make that shower very inviting. Might even be able to get a dual shower head in there, maybe. Maybe. And then once again, it's gonna be tough to get in here, but this is actually not so bad. You have to be able to see beyond this. Try to like imagine the wallpaper, that design or paint, whatever, gone. Try to imagine new textured, clean, white walls, new texture up here, all that acoustic ceiling gone, nice carpet or wooden floors. Those old blinds are gone, new windows, dual pane, energy efficient windows, nice and clean, decent looking, new baseboards. Will make a world of difference in here. And this is actually it's actually a nice area. Fullerton's a nice area. You know, in North Orange County, Cal State Fullerton's big university, employs a lot of people and a lot of students. So I think there'll be a lot of demand for this place. First time I walked this home, I knew, like I said, I know what money looks like. I mean, think about it. Which home are you gonna get the best deal on? The home that you walk in, it's all cherry, totally fixed up. You think that seller's gonna give you a good price or give you a big discount? No. But you have a seller here who's basically given up. When you see this, it's people that have given up a lot. And those are the kind of people that sometimes they're willing to pay you, they're willing to compensate you to take over their headache, alleviate their headache. And that's what I did. I jumped in, stopped the foreclosure process. He had some other issues. The association was foreclosing, the bank was foreclosing. I got in, jumped in, dealt with everybody, got a hold of the attorneys involved and all that, settled with them, and I took care of everything. And we even worked on finding the owner here a place to go live. So we gave him the whole package, a place to go live, helped him even move a few little things that he wanted from here. So that's what your best deal looks like. And remember this, remember what today's lesson is. Remember that if it looks and smells like you know what, learn to embrace that. Don't run from it, don't hide from it, because like I said, those are gonna be some of your best deals. And this is a deal that should pencil pretty well for me. Now it's not gonna be a home run deal, but I'll do well. I'll do well, and I'll take these deals all day, all night, you know? Because if you think about it, the way it's set up, I mean, let me show you guys outside over here. It's not a home where I gotta do an incredible landscape job and it's got a humongous lot. This is the entire lot. We're gonna clean it up. I'll give you a bonus if you can tell me what's in that jar. Any guesses? It's actually urine. It's urine. I guess the gentleman sometimes, for whatever reason, I don't know if because the bathrooms after a while became so disgusting he didn't want to use them, he might come and relieve himself over there. So other than that, like I said, it's a good place. I don't know about that tree. I think that tree's gone. That one over there is going to be gone. Probably going to get rid of all these creepers. Make it look nice and clean, just a nice and clean wall, you know? And the place has got a lot of potential. Absolute lot of potential. But definitely needs some work, but not as much as some of the other ones. Little by little, I'm going to show you guys all the cool stuff I bought. Some of it I'm still in escrow, but little by little, I'm closing everything. From November to December, I went crazy looking at property, writing offers, stuff like that. And so I'm setting myself up to have a good spring and summer. And that's kind of how it works in the business, kind of a cycle, you know? So stay tuned, a lot of cool stuff coming up, okay? And once again, watch my videos, and if you like them, if you think it's worthwhile, if you're picking up something, please subscribe. It shows me that what I'm doing is making sense for you guys and making it worthwhile. Okay, you guys? Thank you very much.